Today I have just unboxed this Honor Watch Magic 2 42 watch series, 46 and the year of import is 2020. And this model I just unboxed, it's of charcoal black color. As you can see, it's got a very nice fit and finish. I was really skeptical about the size, but it fits perfectly into my wrist. My wrist, as you can see, it's not too much wide, and it looks nice on my wrist. And I have also got the smaller sibling of this watch, this 42 variant, as you can see. So you can compare the size of 42 and 46 Both of these watches are very nice, and personally I like the look of 42 because the curved glass actually merges into the sides very nicely in this 42 and there's a difference in the 46 as you can see, that it has got some dials around here, some numbering for the, and so it's looks nice. This two button has red finish on it, the upper button, and here we have got the sensors similarly with the 42 also. So today we are reviewing this watch only, this 46 variant. As you can see, the colors are nice. It has got active heart rate. Currently it's showing my heart rate to be 83 beats per minute. Stress levels you can measure, and the place and temperature it shows, music that you can. And there's a nice thing that you can use this watch without the phone also while you are doing your exercise, and you can store music on the watch and connect it to your Bluetooth, and then you can listen. You can also listen to the music without the Bluetooth. It has got a speaker grill here, but I would suggest you use the Bluetooth headset for outside, because these are not so loud for you to be hearing outside. In a closed room though, you can use this earphone for calls and maybe listening to music also. And this is also the difference between these two watches. Otherwise both of them are very nice for health related purposes and all, and personally I like both of these watches. And this is the major difference between the 46 and 42 watch, and I'll be giving you a complete detailed review after wearing this watch for some time. So that was it, guys. You can also have a closer look of these watches up close. And these are the Honor Watch Magic 42 and this is the 46 variant in India. And right now these are, you can get in 9 and 10,000 respectively over the Flipkart and Amazon. So it's a nice deal, because the battery life here, both of them support more than 7 days actually, and Honor claims to be 14 days, which is actually very close to what they are claiming. Unlike other watches, Apple and Samsung, Apple watches die in less than a day, their battery lives, and Samsung around 2 days. So sleep tracking is, if you want sleep tracking, complete data of your sleep and heart rate monitoring, you need these watches, because that will you will be wearing at the night and not charging your watch every day in the night. So these works for more than a week, and personally therefore I ordered these watches. Thanks everyone. Peace. Sorry folks, I forgot to tell you that in the box, while unboxing, I got this magnetic charging case and this charging cable and some bunch of warranty card and booklets, and that was it in the box. So that was the quick unboxing. After that I was reviewing the watch itself. It's very good. I will be giving you a detailed review about the call functions and all on this 46 and this one doesn't support the call function. Otherwise both watches are very nice. So that's it, guys.